Looking for a budget phone with good features? Then this is itel A90. This phone you're seeing here comes with 90Hz display, a 5000 mAh battery and Android 14. But does this phone really work well for the price? Come, let's unbox it and find out if it's worth it. Unboxing the itel A90. In the box, you're going to see the itel A90 phone, a transparent case, and it has a screen protector that is already on it. You also get the 15 watts charger. Yes, it's a fast charger, and it also comes with a micro USB cable, a basic earphone. That is not just it, it also comes with the SIM injector tool that helps to bring out your SIM card from the itel A90. You also see a quick guide and a warranty card. This is so nice to see that they included a case and a screen protector, so you don't have to buy them separately. The design and build of the itel A90. The itel A90 fuse light are just 187 grams. And this phone you see here is 8.6mm thick. It's very easy for you to hold this phone in your hand. You also get a dual SIM slot and a dedicated micro SD card slot, which is nice if you need an extra storage. The phone has an IP54 rating, meaning it's dust resistant and can handle minor water splash. That doesn't mean you should go and carry your phone and dip inside the water thinking it's water resistance. The display of the itel A90. The 6.6-inch display look good for a budget phone. It has HD plus resolution and a 90Hz refresh rate. When you're scrolling and using apps, it feels very smooth. The 1500 nits brightness makes it very easy to see outside even in the sun. The performance of the itel A90. The Unisoc T700 is good for basic tasks like browsing, social media and gaming. With 3GB RAM or 4GB RAM, it's fine for everyday use, but don't expect this phone to run heavy games smoothly. For light games like Candy Crush, Subway Sub, it works very fine. But more intense games like PUBG or Call of Duty, it might struggle. The camera of the itel A90. This phone comes with 13 megapixel rear camera which take good photos in lights. Colors look good and pictures are sharp enough for social media. However, in low lights, the pictures can be a bit blurry or grainy. It also has the 5 megapixels front camera, which is okay for selfies or video calls. It also shoots 1080 pixel video on both the front and the back camera, which is very nice. The battery of the itel A90. The 5000 mAh battery is one of the best features of this itel A90. This battery lasts a full day with regular use, like browsing, social media and watching videos. The charging of this phone takes about 2 hours with the included 15 watts charger, which is pretty good for a budget-friendly phone. The software experience of the itel A90. This phone you're seeing here runs the Android 14 and itel OS 14. The software is very clean and simple, with some extra features like app freezer, always on display, and a phone manager to help with the performance and battery life. It's a very smooth experience for a daily use. The network and security of the itel A90. The itel A90 supports 4G Lite, so you get good speed for browsing and streaming. The call quality is very clear and the Wi-Fi works very well. For the security of this phone, the phone has what we call the face unlock, which is very fast and works well. But that is not just the most secure. The phone doesn't have fingerprint scanner, but the face unlock is decent for basic use. If you're watching this video up to this extent, do well to hit the subscribe button, like, share and follow to get tips like this when next I upload such videos. The price and verdict of the itel A90. The itel A90 is priced between 85,000 naira and 99,900 naira, which is affordable for phones with this kind of features. So now is the question, is this phone really worth it? It has 90Hz display, a 5000 mAh battery that lasts all day, decent camera for casual use, and Android 14 with a clean experience. For basic tasks like social media, browsing and light gaming, this phone is a very good option. If you need a better performance or high-end camera, you will have to spend a lot of money, but for this price, this phone offers great value. Thanks for watching. If this review helped you, like the video and subscribe for more tech reviews. If you have any question about the itel A90, leave them in the comment section below. I'll be very happy to help you out. See you in my next video.